Begin.
Hey Phil, I've been having some issues with head and pillow lately. What are the top 3 things I should look for when I start to troubleshoot?
First of all, your solder paste deposits. Are you getting the sufficient deposit? Are you getting the right release from your apertures? Are your apertures on your stencil designed properly? Another factor would be the component placement. Is it properly located in terms of X, Y, theta, and Z axes? And finally, look at your profile. Take a look at the soak time, if there is a soak zone, and their time above liquid, is that they're not excessive and that they're compliant with the solder paste formulation that you're using.
What are the best methods to identify head and pillow defects?
Of course, we want to avoid destructive testing. So probably the most widely used methodology would be oblique angle X-ray. CT scan is also used, particularly in FA labs. And finally, last but not least, if you happen to have one still kicking around, X-ray laminography can also be useful in determining head and pillow.
Complete.